Good morning, welcome to Morning Outlook. This is Kim speaking on Wednesday the 11th, Wednesday the 11th of September. So looking at the euro dollar and start off, it's continued the consolidation phase before tomorrow's ECB meeting. I don't expect to do, certainly won't be looking to trade the euro dollar today. Yesterday it was in quite a tight range. I think it ended up in about a 40 pip range or something in the end, or less. I don't expect too much out of it today. In fact, I'm going to leave it there on the euro because I think I'm just wasting time, because I've got no intention of trading it, looking at it in any shape, form or whatever. So moving on, the pound, which we are still in a position from yesterday in our trading room. Will we get a chance to maybe add to it? I'm still looking at this in the bigger picture. I'm still looking to see if we push up towards the 100, 200 MAs. I've got a slight bullish feel about it. It's okay at the moment. Yesterday was a bit of certainly an inside bar. It's not moving particularly fast. I was looking yesterday. Not really anything to report from the 4 hourlies picture there. From an hourly point of view, that's where we're sitting at the moment. I may watch this at 8 o'clock to add into the position I'm already in. I was looking back towards yesterday. I was looking towards that R1 pivot there, but just aware that there's the whole number at 124. So just looking short of the R1. I'm still looking the same target in that respect for yesterday's position. Today, we'll see how we get on here. No news this morning on the pound or anything, but if we can get a little retracement, may look to play it back, even if it's just to today's R1 that's sitting at 90. It's about 35 pips, isn't it? So if we can get 30-35 pips out of that, that's a possibility. So that's what I'm looking at the moment. Dollar yen. Daily picture here on the dollar yen. It's still pushing up as expected. As I said, the risk is back on into the markets, and there's money being played elsewhere, and the yen's pushing up as well, effectively. So at the moment, the dollar yen, the dollar's a stronger pair, and it's just clear. It's a continued trend here. Barely had a retrace. Retracements may give opportunities to buy into. I'm not looking to counter trend this market. I believe there could be more upside, so it's one to be left alone for a moment. Aussie dollar. The Aussie dollar, yesterday just ended up a little hanging man there, really. That was it. But it's pushed up again this morning. Momentum coming through. Again, a biggish bar. Got a potential. I said yesterday this 4 hourly 500 still sits there as a potential, but we have got some divergence around their highs here now. A break of the lows from this week's lows here may see price fall back, maybe even back towards its weekly pivot, but it does look a bit soft the way it's pushed up here and couldn't edge on. So not looking great there for the Aussie. Maybe opportunities later to sell. Canadian dollar. Canadian dollar toughened up again yesterday. Ran into its the underside of the daily 50 and reacted to that. So pushing back down there, but again, bit of divergence sitting in there. We had minimal divergence yesterday, did we? No, we didn't even really have divergence. We've certainly got some now, sitting across here on the signal line now on the MACD. It's still got its weekly pivot untouched above, but I'm generally bearish on this pair. But we'll see. For it to be triggering the long side here, it would need to be, for me, breaking that high of the 10th. At the moment, I'd prefer to sell into anything if I was going to be trading it. Okay, that's pretty much it for me today. News-wise, there's I just have to remind myself it's a US PPI today. It's just bring Forex Factory up here. So at 1:30, we've got the US PPI. It's not the biggest of movers of anything. We've got crude oil inventories at 3:30. If you're trading oil, it may give us some volatility, but it's been quite light of late. Well, it says nearly almost quite low of late, but we did see a bit of volatility last time. But PPI main figure there, but I don't think we'll see too much coming from that unless it's a particularly soft number. Right, I wish you a great day. Bye for now.